Welcome to our latest Wandering Walks of Wonder campus tour. Today we're headed to Aquinas College in Grand Rapids, Michigan. Aquinas College is a private Roman Catholic liberal arts institution with a rich history that dates back to 1886. Originally founded as the Novatate Normal School in Traverse City, the school was set up to prepare young women to become teachers in Michigan's parochial schools. The first stop of our campus tour is one that relates to the history of the school that we'll learn about here in just a bit, but this is Hauenstein Manor, which is a central feature of Aquinas College. This building, this home actually, is steeped in history and has a really significant architectural significance. Originally built in 1908, the manor was the private residence of Edward Lowe, a prominent lumber baron, and his family. The home is designed in the Georgian Revival style and really exemplifies early 20th century elegance and craftsmanship. In 1945, the Dominican Sisters of Grand Rapids purchased Hauenstein Manor and its surrounding estate as part of their plan to expand Aquinas College. This acquisition marked a significant milestone in the college's history that provides, as we see as we're walking through today, a picturesque and spacious new campus that has allowed for future growth and development. In 1911, responding to the need for advanced education, Aquinas College relocated to Grand Rapids and was renamed Sacred Heart College. By 1922, it began admitting laywomen and was granted the ability to award two-year degrees. The institution underwent further transformations, becoming Marywood College and later Catholic Junior College, marking its evolution into the first Roman Catholic college in the United States governed by women and religious to become coeducational in 1931. In 1940, the college was officially renamed Aquinas College. We're taking a look at the upper level of the Arts and Music Center, which features this really cool outdoor amphitheater for occasional performances. The building itself houses a gallery that showcases work from students, faculty, as well as local artists. You'll also find inside the building studios for painting, drawing, photography, printmaking, ceramics, and sculpture, as well as classrooms and private practice rooms, and the 200-seat Kritzmeyer Recital Hall. One of the most significant buildings on campus that we see today, besides Hauenstein Manor, is the Administration Building. This building was constructed in 1955 and expanded substantially during the 1950s and 1960s. The decision to build Administration Hall was part of a broader plan to relocate and consolidate the college's facilities from its original campus on Ransom Street to the newly acquired Hauenstein estate. The building was designed to centralize administrative functions as well as to provide a hub for student services, which it continues to do today. The Wagy Student Center houses Wagy Dining Room as well as the Aquinas Bookstore. The Student Health Center and Women's Study Center are also located inside the building. On the top floor of the Student Center is a large ballroom, which is a very popular place for many campus and community events. Renovated and expanded in 2020, Albertus Magnus Hall of Science is home to Aquinas' science programs, including classroom space, state-of-the-art laboratories, and the only large lecture hall to be found on campus. The building also serves as home to the Detroit Mercy Aquinas College nursing collaboration, which offers a high-tech simulation lab to prepare student graduates for their nursing careers. The Our Lady Seat of Wisdom Chapel, which was built in 2017, is a place where students can nurture their spiritual life. Mass is held here regularly throughout the week as well as on Sundays. Students are involved in every aspect of the chapel's operations, including being greeters, servers, as well as lectors. Aquinas College has a very unique Stations of the Cross. Stations of the Cross, also known as the Way of the Cross, are a series of 14 images that depict Jesus Christ on the day of his crucifixion. These stations are used as a devotional practice to commemorate the Passion of the Christ, and each of the stations allow one to meditate and represent and understand the significance of events from Jesus' final day. Regina Hall that we see here on our left is representative of several of the residence halls that could be found on campus. Regina Hall itself is the largest of the traditional residence hall. It is co-ed and has single-sex floors. Each room is in a suite style and has 2 double rooms that are connected by a shared bathroom. There's also a lounge that includes a big screen TV, game equipment, as well as vending machines. The historic Cook Carriage House has a rich history that dates back to the early 20th century. This particular building that we see is part of the Hauenstein estate, and the carriage house itself was constructed in 1908 as an auxiliary structure to the main mansion that we saw earlier that was built by Edward Lowe, a prominent lumber baron. The building itself now serves as a cafe. Across the street from the Cook Carriage House is the Theater Arts Annex. It's home to theater classrooms as well as rehearsal space for secondary schools, as well as housing a community circle theater. To our left, we're walking past the Aquinas athletic field. This is home to the men's and women's soccer as well as the cross teams. Our final stop on our tour of Aquinas College is the Grace Hauenstein Library. It's not only a library, but also houses study rooms, meeting rooms, as well as individual student areas. I hope you've enjoyed this Wandering Walks of Wonder campus tour here on Aquinas College in Grand Rapids, Michigan. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and we will see you at our next Wandering Walks of Wonder campus tour. Take care now. Bye-bye.